Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to use advanced search on Twitter. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, you need to understand that Twitter app is now changed into this app called X. Once you downloaded it, open up it will land up you to this interface. Here tap on source icon and here on source box search for the person to whom you want to search. And this is the normal search. For advanced search, you need to tap on this icon. So here you can choose the search from people. It can be from anyone, people you follow, and you can also choose the location where you want to search the people. It can be anywhere or nearby you, and then tap on apply. So this is how you can use advanced search in Twitter. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.